Now I'm going to try something, and I like this one because it doesn't have a big lot of shine to it. It's shiny, but it's not too bad. The only reason, because the light is shining on it, that's why it looks so shiny. But if you're looking at it, it doesn't look too bad. It looks more like a matte finish. So all I got to do is get this off here. I'm going to try and see what it looks like on my canvas, and then I'm going to see if I can paint that. Beautiful. See, I mean, they're all beautiful. I don't know which one to pick. Pick that one. That one. Hey, we'll see. It's a little tricky getting it off, but if you take your time and so you don't tear it, right? But it comes off nice. Once it starts coming off, it'll come off nicely. So I'm going to, now you could do a background first if you want to. I'm just trying to show you what this might look like. I don't think I'm going to leave it on my canvas because I think I prefer to paint it in acrylics. So, but look, you can now, using these stickers, you can now decide, do I want to paint that, right? Do I want, is that the way it would look on my canvas? Maybe it's too far. I don't really want it there. Maybe I'd rather have it leaning over like that, you know? So you can do all kinds of things to decide. It's not sticking anyway, right? It's not sticking. You would have to use a glue to keep it on, okay? So, but I'm trying to show you that you can put that on your canvas. Don't glue it on until you're positively sure. So you can use a clear tape just to get an idea of what it looks like if it keeps coming off like that. But look how pretty that is. I mean, that could be a painting in itself, you know what I mean? Like if you put that on a canvas and you put a clear varnish or a clear glue or varnish or something to hold it onto the canvas, or if you put some glue on the back of it to hold it down. I mean, that's beautiful. That could be on your wall, you know? It keeps coming off. Stay there. So cute. And what you could do here is, if you want to paint it, you can take a pencil. I was going to say chalk, but the chalk might be a little bit too thick. So you do the outline. Do the outline. Even though the outline's a little bit further out, when you paint it, you can adjust it, right? You can adjust the beak. And you can just go around the outline with a pencil. It's okay with a pencil because when you paint over, you can paint over those dark lines. You can paint over the pencil. Some people say, well, I couldn't paint, it came through. Well, sometimes you have to do a couple of coats, you know, to cover it up. So let's see, I'm just experimenting now with you. So I never did this before. I just saw the stickers there and I thought, let's try this. Just, it's good to experiment with different things, right? My head really don't want it. It really doesn't want to stay on there, does it? And I don't want it to stick it on, you know, permanently, because it'd be harder to get it off. I just want to try this out with you guys. Right? Should be fun. Because now I have my reference photo. I will just follow that outline. Good. And when I take the outline off, when I take this off, the outline's going to be there, but you still have to figure out how to paint. But you know how big it's going to be, you know the shape of the beak, you know the shape of things. So now you have an outline, right? And you have your reference photo. Keep your reference photo handy and just see then if you can probably draw in the flowers. So the flowers are here. Use your pencil. So you got the beak, right? The beak is nice and pointy. Sit here. A little bit more in here. So you just have to shape it up a little bit, that's all. And it comes up over here and down and around. Just a beak. Right? And then you got the a little bit of feathers going up around here. Doesn't have to be exactly the same. Just use it as a guide. And then this coming around its beak here. There's I think that's black. And then you got the white. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same, but you want to get it. It's the eye, okay? And you know you got the feathers here. And then you come down and you have these palm trees are over there, right? And that's where the flower is. That's the flower. Want to get that flower on there. Right, so I'm going to draw it out because I'm just showing you what you can do. You just look at the reference photo where you came around, and then you have your flower here, the little center there, so I'll know what a flower is. You got a bunch of flowers here, and just the body here. Comes down around like that. I'm just following this. All right, I already did a nice parrot. I did a beautiful parrot. It's the tail, right? You know, so you got to take the time out now to draw that out, and then you paint it in. Now this painting here, maybe your flowers didn't come out rosy enough, so you have some nice flowers to choose from. So I'm going to try a little rose here. Just see what it looks like. It's fun. And like I say, you can use these as a guide to paint your roses. You can put them on to see where you'd like them to go, right? So you can use the stickers to help you make decisions. So say you want to put it here instead of that one. It's kind of nice. So now you could decide if you want to paint that there. You don't have to leave it as a sticker, but you can if you want. I mean, it's pretty. It looks nice and it fits in. You know, it looks like it's part of the painting, doesn't it? Isn't that cute? There's so many beautiful ones here, though. Let's try another one. Let's try something. Goodness, they're all beautiful. Let's try this rose. Maybe this red here. Let's try this one. Let's try. And you can take them off too if you don't want them, right? Let's see. Maybe we'll go on this. I'm trying to match it up with the size. I mean, look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. A little cheating way of painting, isn't it? But it's so cute. Oh, here's a little one here that might match. See that little one there? Yeah. Let's see. Probably. Right here. There we go. Nice. You can draw a whole load of them. I really like that. That's so cute. I got some white ones here, but I don't have any white ones here. But I'd like to try a couple of. Maybe we should try I don't want anything too bright because we have lots of bright ones there. Let's try this little one here. And like I said, these you can use them to help you with a painting. So before you even do or if you don't like the flowers you have there, you might say, well, I'll put some stickers on there, and if I like the way the stickers look, then I can take them back off, and then I can actually repaint the flowers, and I'll have a guide to go by. Let's try this one. Yeah, very nice. So like I said, we can put new flowers on there, and then you can actually take them off, use that as a guide, and then put those flowers back on in acrylic paint. So you would never know if it was painted or not. Nice. So I'm going to get more stickers because I love these, and you could also use these as a reference photo. I mean, if you looked at that, you'd be able to look at the colors and the shapes. You know, and see? And you could even lay it on your canvas, and you could draw around it to get the shape. Well, thank you for watching my video today. I just want to say thank you all for all your support through my Patreon page, and just for watching my videos. I'm really happy that I could do this for you, and I get a lot of nice compliments. So I am so happy that you watched that video, and if you have any questions about what you saw in the video, just leave your comments below and I'll answer them as soon as I can for you. And we will do some more videos coming up.